In today's video, my mom's going to show you an easy way to make a WordPress website.
Are you ready? Let's go. I want to start off by showing you a website that I helped my daughter build when she came home with an idea to start a new website. Do you want to tell them about it?
Sure. This is a Give Love website, and
what's your idea?
Giving out Give Love cards.
Okay. And why did you decide to do that?
I don't know.
Where did your idea come from?
You.
From me?
Yeah, because you asked me a question.
And that inspired you to start your website?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And so what happened? Did I give you an interview?
Yep.
And you passed the interview?
Yeah.
Do you remember what some of the questions were that I asked you?
Why would you have this job?
Okay. And what was your answer?
To show people that everyone has kindness in the world.
Yeah. And what else?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So let's go down, scroll down. And you've come up with some really good ideas about how to share kindness, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yep. And you even learned, you showed me that you knew how to use Canva to make your own designs. So that was really cool. And here's some of the ideas you came up with on how to give.
Send a letter, help the homeless, share a meal, donate toys, bake a cake, color a picture.
Yep. And you even typed up on your own computer what you wanted to tell everyone. Did you want to read that?
Sure. I think this is important because some people don't think about others. By speaking kindness around the world, it shows people that there is love in their life. My mom and I made the printable cards for you to download and share a random act of kindness. I want others to know that people are there for one another. My grandpa and grandpa help people in El Salvador. They give love just like I want to.
Very cool.
And down here, these are the printable cards. So if you hit download cards, you can click on one which you want to download, and you get to share a random act of kindness. This is the popcorn bag.
Mm-hmm.
And I forgot what we put in it. But do you know?
Yeah, let's read it. We went and found the popcorn bag.
Yeah.
And then
our local grocery
microwave popcorn. Remember it was on sale at Fairway?
Well, I was reading that.
Yeah, it was on sale. It was like $1 a bag. So we threw it in the cart. And then we love these little cute little popcorn seasonings.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
We still have one.
Mm-hmm.
Click to print your Give Love Kindness cards.
Yep. And we put the bags together and
there we go. Popcorn bag. So now we're going to move to a different one. Actually, that sounds really good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The 12 books about kindness.
There's 12 books that we thought kids could read to learn more about being kind.
There's one of the books is how.
Did you read that one?
Yeah, it's cool. Mm-hmm. How full is your bucket?
And I think you guys told me about Howard Big Wigglebottom. And I'm not just a scribble.
Kindness counts.
Mm-hmm.
Random acts of kindness.
Mm-hmm.
Kindness is cooler.
Mrs. Ruler.
Oh. And
so in building this website, we got it done in just one day, didn't we?
About that? Yeah.
Yeah. And I showed you how easy it was to build a WordPress website with just a few clicks. Should we show everyone out there how easy it was to set up a WordPress website? All right, let's go.
This is what the WordPress website looked like when we first opened it up. And I was like, Mom, this doesn't look very good.
And what did I say?
Well, we just got on it and we haven't started yet.
Okay. So the first thing we have to do is we got our WordPress website installed, right? And the next thing we're going to do is I showed you how to go to the dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
And
this is behind it. So there's a lot of stuff behind it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then we're going to use a tool,
which is the Astra site.
Mm-hmm. We're going to use a tool and a
beaver builder.
Yep. And a page builder. You love it, don't you? It makes it super easy to build our pages. So we just click on that. Yep. And then tell them how you can choose whatever design you want.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you want?
Modern designs. Ooh. We could use.
And tell them how you don't have. There it is. Yep. So this is the template that we started with to build your website, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And we chose it because we like the colors and the layout. And we didn't think there was a lot that we'd have to do to change it to get started. So let's show them let's click on it. And then it was really simple. You just go over and click install plugins. And we let this software do the work. And so it's going to do what? Install our website?
Yeah, it's going to install our website. Okay.
And so what do we do while we wait? Just dance?
Dance.
Dance party.
Or we could just use technology, I'm almost missing my lunchtime.
It is. I'm hungry for some lunch after this. Whoops.
11:25.
Lunchtime.
Almost 11:50. Yay!
It's done.
Now, don't use view site. I'm going to hit that.
You want a drum roll?
I know how to play music on YouTube.
Ta-da!
And so this is your site that you have created. But
was that hard?
Nope. But you're going to need to do a few changes if you're going to do your site.
Yeah. So what's the next step?
Next step is you go to. Okay. So what is that site where you see pictures of videos? Oh, well, not videos.
So the next step is you want to find some pictures?
Yep.
Okay. So you can use either free sites or.
So what is that site called?
There's one called Pixabay.
Pixabay. So we're going to go to the plus sign up here. It makes a new tab and we're going to type in Pixabay. How do you spell Pixabay? We're going to hit return. Okay. So, if you are doing a animal site,
what's your site going to be about?
It's going to be about animals.
Okay.
For let's type in dog food, dog playing, walking, or so. Let's just do for now. Let's just do walking.
Okay.
The ones at top are not for. Some of them you have to buy. Yeah. Okay, which one's cute?
That one's cute.
Yeah, but yeah, he's actually a dog walking himself, So we're gonna go and then I think we're gonna drag it.
So you can do free download.
Yeah, free download. Because I download. And then isn't it supposed to say?
I think it's supposed to show up.
It's supposed to say I'm a robot.
I think it showed up. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Now
there's your picture. So now you want to go back to your website.
Which is first I have to How do you get it?
Click on here. Mm-hmm. And then click on.
We're going to go back to here.
Yep. Now, how do you edit the page? Do you remember how easy it was to make your edits?
Wait, edit. You're going to go to Beaver Builder, is it? Yeah. Okay. Welcome. It looks like this might be your first time you're using Builder. No. I know how to use it. So.
Yeah, we're making a video.
This is my brother Jay's twin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now. So I think we're going to do this right here.
We're making a video, so. Okay, you can do the next one. Yep.
We're going to go row setting, which is little full way.
You can scroll down. Scroll. Yep. Down. Down. Up. There you go. Edit. Mm-hmm. Select your file.
It's done.
Okay.
So then we're going to select photo. And then there you go. And you can.
Yeah, it looks great.
Save.
Yeah, don't forget to save. And then you want to change the text.
Mm-hmm. We're going to actually.
Yep, you can do the title. There you go. Right here, just right there.
Oh.
Yep.
Whoopsies. This for example. Should we say pet or dog?
Is it all about dogs?
Okay.
Yeah, dog. There you go.
Okay, how to take care of your dogs.
And hit save. There you go. And so that's a good start to your website. So if you want to delete that, you can exit out.
Oh yeah, I got something funny.
Okay.
Actually.
It's a...
Because only together we can bark.
Don't forget when you're done making changes to hit done.
Mm-hmm.
And what else? So click done. Okay. Oh wait, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just do it. So okay again. So click. Tell them how to save.
So how you save? You're gonna hit this button. It's the blue button in the corner, and it's near the plus sign, and it says done on it. Done. And then you're gonna scroll down to.
Do you want to publish it?
Area.
Let's hit publish so we can show them the changes.
Okay. So. Here we go.
There you go. So you were able to edit. It doesn't look anything like the website, but it gave you a good foundation to start with. Right? Is it thumbs up, easy, middle, or down?
Bye.
Hey guys, my name is Jennifer Franklin, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Each week, I'll bring you a brand new video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment below. See you later.
Slice
one. So now we do another dance party.
That would only be fun if we had music.
Well, let's turn on some music.
Let's see if I have the right spell.
Uh-huh. Oh, and we can't play music in this, otherwise we can't play music in YouTube videos.
Oh,
copyright.
Yes.
Oh, it's done.
Oh, it's done.
And we're recording.
Once the plugins are done loading, we're going to need to hit import this site.
Okay.
And then you're going to hit OK.
Tell them.
It is whipping all the pages together. Like, kaya, wow.
Yeah.
Slice.